coming at you from beautiful Northern California. And I'm super excited to share some of the fantastic news. LegalShield's home office rolled this program out well over a year ago, and it's really designed to reward the right behavior. So for consistency and growth and leveling up through the compensation plan, but not just hitting the position, but actually becoming the position. Because when you qualify for senior director 3 months in a row, you unlock some just insane bonuses. And as you move higher, executive director, all the way through diamond executive director, not only do these bonuses grow, they can actually stack. And when you help your teammates earn theirs, you're eligible for matching bonuses too. So total win, 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 and exactly the kind of reward that encourages us to help other people win as well. So now let me sprinkle a little wisdom on here, because many of you who know me know that I'm obsessed with Performance Club. And this is really how consistency is created and champions arise. So reaching senior director and beyond is really about helping people do 2 things. Number 1, rank up to manager. And as a result of that, they're going to get into the club. And so the more people you help do these 2 things, right? Manager and Performance Club, the more everyone is going to win. And it's these small, daily, consistent actions that compound over time and lead to massive momentum and serious results. So family, stay the course, keep growing, and encourage your team to do the exact same thing, because these build your dream bonuses are there for the taking. All right, that's enough for me today. Let's roll that incredible footage of the people that are actually crushing this bonus right now, because trust me, if they can do it, you can do it.